Hello, friends. I will explain how to acquire essential skills to improve your life. So, friends, let's start. The most important skill for improving your life. A range of skills can enhance one's career advancement, relationships, and personal growth. The key to a better life isn't just skills, but also self-improvement. Throughout life, people strive to improve themselves, to grow, adapt, and thrive in the areas they are interested in. The process involves actively seeking personal development, learning from experiences, and continuously striving to become a better version of oneself. It is said that self-improvement is the most essential skill for personal growth. Understanding. What is the basic life skills? To grasp the fundamentals of life skills, students must know essential skills that enable them to handle life properly. Such skills include problem-solving, critical thinking, communication, and decision-making. Understanding these fundamentals is vital to their personal development and long-term success. Each of these skills is essential for personal growth and future success, and we'll look at each in depth to discover how they could help students in their everyday lives. Continuous learning and curiosity. One of the fundamental aspects of self-improvement is continuous learning. Cultivating a curious mindset and a desire to learn new things can open up endless possibilities for growth and insight. By embracing a mindset of lifelong learning, individuals can stay adaptable, keep up with the changing world, and acquire new knowledge and skills that can enhance their personal and professional lives. That never makes mistakes. He doesn't try anything new. So, learning is life. Learning is always well spent. Life can be enriched through learning. No significant or small differences can be kept for learning. Learning will be the primary purpose of life. No significant or small differences can be kept for learning. Learning will be the primary purpose of life. You have to travel to many countries to learn. Be aware of people's needs. Understanding people's needs leads to success. So, for success in life, one should focus on learning first. Personal growth and development. Self-improvement involves focusing on personal growth and development. It encompasses skills such as self-awareness, self-reflection, and self-motivation. By understanding themselves better, setting goals, and working towards them, individuals can progress in various areas of life, such as careers, relationships, and overall well-being. Personal growth is a continuous process that allows individuals to unlock their full potential and lead a more fulfilling life. 1. For self-improvement, one should give importance to one's well-being. Create a roadmap within yourself. You have to move forward little by little. You have to bring confidence in yourself. One should proceed with righteous thoughts and righteous deeds. Confidence is the key to success. Create a roadmap within yourself. You have to move forward little by little. You have to bring confidence in yourself. One should proceed with righteous thoughts and righteous actions. Confidence is the key to success. Life will be successful by reading books. Books by various great authors should be read. Resilience and adaptability. Another important aspect of self-improvement is developing resilience and adaptability. Life is full of challenges and setbacks, and being able to bounce back from adversity is crucial for personal growth and success. By cultivating resilience, individuals can develop the ability to cope with stress, overcome obstacles, and adapt to new situations. This skill is essential in navigating the ups and downs of life and maintaining a positive outlook. 2. Education should prepare him to be an entrepreneur or a job creator, not a job seeker. If we trained the youth to be job creators, there would be no such thing as unemployment. If you want to do something, there will be obstacles, and you must ignore them and move forward. Each obstacle is a challenge and must be worked on successfully. Communication and interpersonal skills. Effective communication and interpersonal skills are essential for building and maintaining personal and professional relationships. Developing these skills can improve one's ability to express thoughts and ideas clearly, listen actively, and collaborate. Strong communication skills can enhance personal relationships, help resolve conflicts, and contribute to success in various professional settings. 3. Silence is the best course for the ignorant. If everyone knew this, then no one would be ignorant. Silence should be used as a tool. However, you can only stay silent sometimes. Silence must be exploited at times. Remember that the world can be conquered through silence, time management, and organization. Improving time management and organization skills can significantly impact productivity and overall well-being. By effectively managing time, setting priorities, and organizing tasks, individuals can make the most of their resources and achieve their goals more efficiently. Time management skills can help individuals balance work and personal life, reduce stress, and increase productivity. Learn from the mistakes of others and avoid becoming the person from whom others learn. Make use of time. Do the work of time on time. A significant factor in success is punctuality. Time is the most precious thing in the world, but we waste most of it. It is wise to use even the minimum amount of time. While many skills can contribute to a better life, self-improvement is the most critical skill for overall improvement. Individuals can make significant positive changes by continuously learning, focusing on personal growth, developing resilience, enhancing communication and interpersonal skills, and improving time management. Embracing self-improvement as a lifelong journey can lead to personal fulfillment, success, and greater well-being. Remember, self-improvement is broad. Many other skills and qualities can contribute to a better life. It's essential to identify the areas most relevant to your personal goals and aspirations, and focus on developing the skills that will most impact your life. A sleeping person cannot wake up another sleeping person. No one can wake him who sleeps willingly. So keep your eyes and ears open. Always keep yourself updated. Use the time to come up with new and different ways of thinking. If this video is helpful to you, please like, comment, and subscribe. Friends will meet again in a new video.